Next question. How do I make videos consistently if I have a job and family? All right, this is something I thought about a lot while I was making content during my off time while working on Instagram and YouTube. And the biggest advice I could give is batch production, scheduled release. If you're working a job, if you're gonna spend time with family, you wanna make sure you're not context switching too much between that and being creative and getting in flow state. Because if you don't, you're just gonna be waking up thinking about video ideas, they're not gonna be that good. Instead, I recommend taking time to batch your production. Spend time once a week really thinking about different ideas, scripting them out, and try and do 3 or 4 in one sitting. And then if you can, film then or schedule another time so you could take care of the production of it. And that way you batch it all together and then schedule the release. So let's say once a week you batch the production, which I would do on Sunday nights when I was working my day job, so it wasn't on their time. And then I would schedule the release during the week in the mornings before my job started. So I think about it like that: batch, production, scheduled, release. Next question. How do you draw in new viewers? All right, search is going to be your best friend, especially when you're trying to get initial traffic. And a great way to get content that feeds into search traffic is to use Google Trends and use it in a way that most people don't. So go to trends.google.com, filter by YouTube search instead of web search, type in the words related to your niche and see which one is highest and start making content around that first. And to make it even easier, TubeBuddy has a great tool which you could just plug in that shows your search volume, the competition for that search term, and the overall score for any search term right when you put it into YouTube, which can be super helpful in helping decide what to make content about to build your initial audience.